In this video, we're going to talk about couplers and bulkheads for bare fiber. So one of the unique things about POF is how easy you can field terminate it and do splicing or fix a damaged cable. And you can do that easily with these couplers and bulkheads. So let's talk and actually do one for you so you can see. This particular fiber that we have here is a GHCP. It's an ASCA fiber. It's a 4001. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to finish it. Let's say that we had a cable in the field, right, and it was broken. So we've got a broken or melted or whatever. So what we want to do is we want to actually field terminate this. And we can do this with any of our razor cutters that we sell. It's just the better ones will transmit a little bit better. So with that, we have two couplers for the simplex model. We have one that locates on the core, and we have another one that locates on the outside jacket. So the one that operates on the core, we're going to finish it the same way. We're going to strip off a section of the cable. There's an actual length in the data sheet that tells you to, and you can use the stripping tool and set that up for that. Once that's in and located, you tighten your nut down. You'll take your other one that's been finished. We'll strip the proper amount off. Maybe you'll strip a little bit more than needed, but just a little bit more. And then we can take this and put it to the stop. Now we've actually made a field installable connection, and now you can get your tool up and running. If I tell anybody it's these kind of couplers here with the simplex and duplex that you really want to have in your tool shop or in maybe somewhere in the shop if you ever have equipment that uses plastic fiber, because within a minute you can get your machine tool back up and running. The same thing on the duplex. This is a duplex coupler, and I'll actually do one for you so you can see. Let's say you have a duplex line that's down. You can get the couplers. You're going to finish it with a razor tool or one of our professional lines. You finish your tool. You then strip the zip cord apart. You insert it into the two holes. Basically, you'll pull this out. You'll insert it into the two holes till it stops. Push that in. You can see here that this is unlocked, and when you push it in, it locks. So we'll unlock this side. We'll actually finish this side here. Strip the jacketing out. Pull this apart. Shove it in the hole with it being pushed out. Make sure it bottoms out. Push it back in, and now we have a duplex inline coupler. So these are the two ones that we really support in the simplex and duplex. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask. Sales@FiberFin.com.